Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to find and open the apps. Then let's scroll all the way down to find special app access, and here scroll down again to find install unknown apps. So as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, let's pretend I'd like to download something from Chrome, so from a browser. Just find it in the list and tap on it, and then tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. And as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And now you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.